How to check whether a variable is a class or not. I was wondering how to check whether a variable is a class, not an instance, or not. I've tried to use the function isInstance, object, class underscore or underscore type underscore or underscore tuple, to do this, but I don't know what type would a class will have. For example, in the following code. I tried to substitute class with, but I realized that class is a keyword in Python.
Even better, use the inspect.isClass function.
Return true if X is class and false if not.
The inspect.isClass is probably the best solution, and it's really easy to see how it's actually implemented.
He also appeared in like and